In this chapter, we will show which influences the light spot size could have on the application. We are comparing three different sensors, the GR18 with background suppression and two different energetic versions, GR18. The GR18, the sensor with background suppression, has a very small and round-shaped light spot using the SIG pinpoint technology. The GR18 energetic 400mm version is also based on the pinpoint technology with a small light spot diameter. The 800mm energetic version has a larger light spot. What does this mean with regard to the application? To show the differences, we will give some short demonstration. The selection of the light spot size always goes along with the application task that needs to be solved, whether you like to detect or suppress holes, for example. A sensor with a small light spot is able to detect holes within an object or can detect objects through a hole. An example would be having a cutout on some machine part. The sensor is mounted behind the surface and detects the objects through the cutout. This will work, depending on the hole size, quite good with the background suppression version and the 400mm energetic version using the pinpoint LED. Using the 800mm energetic version shows that due to the bigger light spot, the sensor will not be able to detect the smaller hole sizes, so it is not suitable for this application. On the other hand, this could, based on the application task, also have its advantages. In general, the small light spot is extremely precise with a high positioning accuracy. The larger light spot is less precise, but could have some advantages, for example on irregular surfaces, where this type of light spot provides a more homogeneous signal with less errors.